Welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin. We will be putting on a Hooke Road tailgate cover on the tailgate of the Gladiator today. I guess I've owned the Gladiator about 10 or 11 months, and it's really a pain in the butt when you're trying to cook on the tailgate, set things on here with these deep grooves. So install this cover that I purchased off of eBay. It was significantly cheaper than some of the other covers that are on the market. So we'll see how all the holes line up. Hopefully I won't have to re-drill or reinvent the wheel on this thing, but here we go. Let's get the install started. That took about 10 minutes. This is going to be a big improvement, because my normal setup, I like to set my stove up here on the tailgate with all my cooking ingredients and everything off to the right, since my propane is here. And the last couple of times that I've done that, it's been a real pain. Stuff falling over, a couple of spilled beers, which is never good. But I think this is going to be really nice. Like I said, I ordered this off of eBay, so it's I'm not sure what part of China this came from, but we'll see how it holds up over the next few trips. I've looked at the stainless steel panels and some of the more expensive poly panels that are very similar to this, and I just couldn't justify, for what it is, spending the money for something that's essentially on the back of my tailgate. Flat surface is all I need, and it looks like I got it. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a bit since I've posted any content on the channel. I appreciate all of you that view the little videos that I put out, and I'd say in the next couple of weeks I should have an update for the M416 trailer. If you've not already checked that out, I'll leave a link for that series in this video. Check it out if you're interested. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Until next time, tread lightly.